Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top secret ranch dressing recipe. And the secret is, it's really easy. So I can't wait to share this with you. Let's get started. So before we get started, let's go over the ingredients that you're going to need. I've got 1.5 cups of real mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream, salt and pepper, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, buttermilk, some fresh chives, some flat leaf Italian parsley, and a clove of garlic. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna put my mayonnaise and my sour cream in a large bowl. And I use full fat mayonnaise and natural sour cream. You could probably make it with low fat mayonnaise, but it might not taste as good. This is something to splurge on, okay? Once I've got these in there, I'm gonna add a nice big pinch of salt and a few cracks of pepper. And we'll be adjusting the seasoning as we go. So this is just to get a starting point, okay? And I've been making this recipe for years, and I just kind of do it by sight. It's probably 4 or 5 big drops of Worcestershire sauce, and the same on the hot sauce. And don't be scared of this. This isn't gonna turn out spicy in the end. It just gives a nice extra little kick, but it's not gonna be spicy. So probably a good tablespoon of hot sauce, okay? And I'm gonna get this all whisked together. And it's gonna be a really, really light pink color from that hot sauce. All right, once you've got that whisked together, I'm gonna move my attention to my herbs and my garlic. Now, I've tried using garlic powder and just found that the flavor wasn't the same, so I recommend about a clove. If you don't like garlic as much, just a half clove is fine, but we like a little kick. Now, you can use a microplane like I'm using, or a garlic press, or just mince it really fine. I found that this is the easiest way to get a nice consistency that spreads well through the whole thing. All right, so once that's in, I'm gonna chop my herbs. So I've got a bunch here of fresh chives, and I'm just gonna mince them really fine. You can use freeze-dried as well. I've been in a pinch where I haven't been able to find chives in the store, and the dried herbs from the herbs and spices aisle work just fine. You'll probably need a little bit extra just to make up for the fresh flavor, but once it sits in your fridge for a day and all the flavors meld, you won't be able to tell the difference. All right, so once I've got my chives chopped up, I'm gonna add that as well. And now we're gonna chop our parsley. And this is just flat leaf Italian parsley. I'm just gonna kind of bunch it up and chop it real small. You wanna make sure you chop your herbs pretty fine because you want it to disperse throughout the whole bowl. Make sure everything's mixed really well. This is gonna give it a really bright and fresh flavor. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add that. All right, once you've got your herbs and your garlic in, you can give it another whisk, just to kind of make sure everything's really thoroughly incorporated. All right. Now at this point, this is a really good base. You could stop here and have an incredible chip or veggie dip, but if you want more of a ranch dressing consistency, we're gonna thin it out with some buttermilk. So I've got 1 cup of buttermilk here to start, and you can kind of work to your desired consistency. I just keep pouring and mixing in until it's about the thickness that I like. So I'm gonna start with about 1/2 cup. Mix that through. Still a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add some more. And just as a note, this will thicken back up a little bit in the fridge, so you can even make it a touch runnier than you think you're gonna like it, and then it'll thicken up just a touch. All right, so that looks to be about perfect. All right. So I'm gonna grab a spoon so we can give this a taste and see where we're at. All right, let's give it a try. Perfect. Now, usually at this point, sometimes I have to tweak it a little, add a little more salt or pepper or a little more herbs, but I think I got it right on the first try. Now, at this point, you could add some fresh dill We're not big dill fans in this family, but if you like it, it'd be a great time to add some. You can add a little more salt and pepper, or if you want an extra kick, add a little more hot sauce. The flavor of the fresh flat leaf parsley, the chives, the freshness of that with a little kick of the garlic, it just melds together so perfectly. When you're ready to store it, I just pour mine in a mason jar with a screw top lid in the fridge. I think it'd be good in your fridge probably up to a week. Honestly, it doesn't last that long, 3 or 4 days, and we're usually running out and needing some more. So comment down below, let me know if you try it, if you like it, and let me know any other videos you want to see us make, any recipes or secrets you want shared with you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share with your friends.